The TR3 Route Assistant from Petersen Industries. One truck, complete bulk collection versatility, no compromises. Operators can hand load debris into the side trough and rely on the legendary TL3 Grapple loader to safely and efficiently handle heavy items. With the TR3 Route Assistant, bulk waste collection is automated, reducing the risk of injury while increasing productivity. Let the truck do the work. The TR3 complements automated sidearm loaders by handling bulk waste safely and efficiently, freeing operators for smarter use of your labor. Equipped with critical safety features and an intuitive, operator-friendly design, it's easy to see why the Petersen TR3 is trusted by municipalities nationwide and preferred by operators who demand efficiency without compromise. Built in America, trusted nationwide. Schedule a TR3 Route Assistant demo today. Petersen Industries. We build legends.